In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and set up a newsletter on Mailchimp. We're going to build a clean, simple newsletter together using Mailchimp's editor and a basic 3-block layout. By the end, you'll have a ready-to-send email that includes a clear heading, an eye-catching image, and a short paragraph of copy. I'll guide you through each click so you can follow along comfortably. Start by opening Mailchimp in your browser. Once you're in the dashboard, head to the Campaigns area. This is where all your emails, automations, and drafts live. Look for the Create button, which begins a new campaign. When the Setup pane appears, you'll see a field labeled Internal Name. Give your newsletter a name you'll recognize later. Think of it as the label you'll use to find this campaign in your list, so make it descriptive, like Monthly Update, April. Clarity here will save time down the line. With the name in place, select Begin. You'll be taken to the builder where you choose your email design. For a quick, reliable starting point, go with a basic layout first. A basic layout keeps the structure tidy, which makes it easier to focus on your content. From there, choose Start from Scratch. This gives you full control over what appears and in what order, and it avoids unnecessary design elements you don't need. On the right, you'll see the editor canvas. On the left, you'll find content blocks, the building pieces you can drag into your email. We'll create a straightforward newsletter using just 3 blocks, a heading, an image, and a paragraph. Drag a heading block onto the canvas. Click into it and type your headline. Keep it short, specific, and benefit-focused so readers understand immediately what the email is about. You can tweak the font, size, color, and alignment in the settings panel to match your brand style. If you have brand guidelines, mirror those choices here for consistency across your communications. Next, drag an image block below the heading. Click Add to choose your image. You can upload a file from your device or select one from your content library if you've already added assets. Aim for a clear, well-lit image that supports your message. For best results, use a web-optimized JPG or PNG so it loads quickly. If you see options for image size or width, choose dimensions that fit the email body without forcing readers to scroll sideways. It's also a good idea to include alternative text so people using screen readers understand the visual, and to keep file names tidy for future reuse. Now drag a paragraph block underneath the image. Click into the paragraph area and type your newsletter content. Keep your sentences friendly and concise, and lead with the most important update or takeaway. If you're summarizing multiple points, craft a short intro that frames the value of this issue, then write a few tight lines that make readers want to learn more. You can format text with bold, italics, or links as needed, and adjust line spacing for readability. If you include a link, make sure it's clear where it goes, and use action language that encourages the click. When your heading, image, and paragraph look good, choose Save and Exit. This stores your design and returns you to the campaign overview. Take a breath here and glance over the details on the page. Confirm you're looking at the correct campaign name and that your content matches your intent for this send. When you're confident everything is set, click Send. Mailchimp will ask you to confirm, and once you do, your newsletter is on its way. If you prefer to send it a little later, you can schedule it from the same area, but for now, sending immediately completes the process we walked through. That's it. Your newsletter is created, styled, and sent using a simple, effective layout. You started in Campaigns, created a new campaign with a clear internal name, built your email from scratch using a basic layout, added a heading, an image, and a paragraph, saved your work, and sent it with confidence. Thanks for following along, and enjoy creating newsletters that your audience will actually want to open.